Hi guys, I'm going to explain you my favorite five data science and ML blogs which I'm like checking out day to day, daily in my daily life. So I'm going to show you my five data science blogs. So like the first one is kdnuggets.com. So it's one of the best blog website for the data that if you are very much interested or if you're a data science aspirant, you can definitely go with this KD Nugget blogs because they are like categorizing into each and every, like for example blogs and news. So in blogs and news there are like thousands of news which are they are publishing in day to day life. For example, essential data science skills, coding freeways, how to build football data set with web scraping. These and all will be very useful for the people who are working with web scraping. And top 5 ML books, ebooks that everyone should read, etc. So this is one of my favorite blog which I daily used to see. That is a website which we can daily go and check. So if you want to see a data science blogs only, they will publish only data science blogs that you can able to view only data science blog. For example, pandas on steroids and essential data science. For I'm just clicking it. So that is they will explain from scratch till data building. So that is what I like the most in their blogs. And then the best data science certification you have never heard of. So these are all very interesting to see. That is people who want to do their certification can do that. So they will give you the levels also in the side. You are seeing, no, in the side they will also like the related blogs will also come. So, see, for example, how to make sense of reinforcement learning. People who are working in reinforcement learning can go with it. Or like okay, for example, if you want to know about R, oh my god, don't know. So if you want to know about R, like all the behavior analysis with ML and R free book, text mining with R free book, you can download it. I have downloaded in my desktop. So all this you can go and you can see to it. And this is see, this is there are lots of good trending blogs also, so you can go and search to it. See how nice it is. So people who are writing these blogs are also scholar in ML, something like that. So these are all the popular blogs like data science minimum 10 essential skills, wrapping ML techniques and Python for data analysis, time series classifications, etc. So you can go later to a topic. If you want R, you can go to R and search. If you want Python, you can go and search. Example, Python, everyone wants to learn more about Python. So okay, so Python, how to build a football data set with web scraping, how to deploy PyTorch, building data set, like deep learning DL projects with fast AI, etc. And popular thing here also, like roadmap to NLP, it's very popular. So 10 ML courses in 2020, that and all you can go and check. And time series analysis in Python, lots of stuffs there, guys. So you can go and check out kdnuggets.com. And for example, if you want tutorial, they will suggest some of the good tutorials. And if you are going to click that, and then you can go with the course and do that course also. So if you want any separate, so if you want to know what all the things happened in October, they will give you all the blogs which they have published in October. Similarly in September, like that. Yearly wise also, monthly wise also, that's very good. Because people, if you want to know trending things about it, you can just learn. If you want to know about the previous time series or previous blogs, you can go to that also and you can learn. Apart from this, there are data sets also that is very interesting. So data sets they will give. So from where to get data sets and how to get data sets. People will search, and many people asked me a data set. Like plainly they used to ask me, can you give me some data set, Rohini? Like I will suggest you these websites, but if you are going to download some 20 data set in your desktop, then like with these websites you need not have to ask anyone, because Google data set search has all kinds of data set they are providing it. For example, if I want IRIS data set is normal data set. So COVID data set, no, not COVID data set, some data set which are unique, which, okay, IRIS is fine, or Bitmark, I will search Bitmart. So it will search to the Google and for Kaggle IRIS dataset. Explore in Kaggle. Just like that, you can go to the Kaggle and you can explore the dataset. That is the best option which they have provided in Google Dataset Search. So what I would suggest you friends is all about, if you are data analyst or data scientist, you are working with data in day-to-day life. So better I would suggest you to download some 10 to 12 datas in your desktop, so that whenever you want to do some projects and hands-on, you can just use the data for your reference and for your practices. There are webinars and educations, jobs, related queries in KD Nuggets. We are next going to next blog. First blog is KD Nuggets. Second blog is Analytics Insights. Oh my god. Okay. People who are business analysts or business top level managers can definitely go with this analytic insights website. So because they are give you the crisp about what is AI is all about and what trending, how demanding IT jobs or anything coming up in industry. Third blog which I am going to say you is all about Analytics Vidya blog. This blog is purely all about analytics. So in the Analytics Vidya blog, there are lots of things that is going on. There is blog or courses or hackathons or jobs or AI and ML, that is a course. So you can either participate in the hackathon, or you can go with the blogs, in daily blogs, or you can also do some free courses in it. So the free courses links will be there in all my videos. So just for example, I am I'm just skimming here. So there is a comprehensive step-by-step guide to become industry ready data science professional, completely used ML algorithms with Python and R. These are all the popular articles in Analytics Vidya. So they will give you all the overview about all the algorithms till scratch code. They will give you the code also. They will give you See, the code, R code, Python code, they will give you for each and every algorithm. So that and all is very plus point in Analytics Vidya. So among 5 blogs, Analytics Vidya is my most popular blog because I used to daily check out their blogs and all the current affairs about data science. So there are in the Analytics Vidya, there are few trending courses going on. So if you people wants to like know what are all the courses available and how to like approach for this, please give the thumbs up button. Please click the thumbs up button in this video so that I will able to publish more videos later to this.